Oh my God. Okay, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Sunday. It's November 10. Okay, guys. Today is no delivery. So, tinatawanan ako ng... So, today is no delivery. As you can see, maglilinis lang si Salim. Tapos ako mag-a-arrange ng mga stocks namin. So, good morning. Good morning. Mag-arrange lang tayo ng konti. Tapos, yeah, wala naman masyadong gagawin ngayon. Hi, yay. Ganda ng mahaba na buhok ko, kailangan ko na magpagupit. Good morning, Mr. Salim.
Morning.
It's been long time, we didn't make a vlog.
Yeah.
So today is, yeah. Hey, have you done cleaning this one?
No.
Not yet? Okay, we'll clean the glass. Kasi madumi na siya, yung glass. Alikabok. Oh my God. This is Mr. Salim from India. What you put some
Chemical.
chemical?
Yeah.
Chemical, then you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Chemical?
Yeah, this
What is this?
glass cleaning.
Glass cleaning, okay. So that is safe, right?
Yeah, this
In the
safe.
skin?
Yeah, no problem.
No problem. Okay. So, maglilinis na si Mr. Salim ng aming window dito sa store. Yan. Actually, guys, nag-clean kami ng window dito mga twice a week. Twice a week lang talaga. Pagka during that time na walang delivery, yan. Tapos nandun naman sa labas yung mga security, saka cleaner ng mall. So kahit yung halaman dito may specific na naglilinis. Yan yung halaman, no. Pagkalinis niya, pinipicturean ng security niyan sa labas para alam na nilinisan na yung mga halaman. Kasi yung halaman nito, nilalagay niya na? Parang nilagyan siya ng gatas ba yan? Parang siya? Tubig. Yes. Grabe, Bigyan natin sa labas. Nice. Good, Professional, What is this? Professional, Mr. Salim. See? May pa tok pa siyang nalalaman, So guys, good morning. Sarado pa lahat ng mga store kasi early morning. So normally mga nag-aayos, mga naglilinis. It's clean, very clean. How many delivery yesterday? How many pieces?
When? Yesterday? Yesterday, I don't know. It's full.
More?
Yeah.
More. But BJ is here yesterday, right?
Yesterday.
So guys, nandito na siya sa kabilang window. Ayan. So, left and right window. Malamang will left and right. So, left and right window, ayan na. Lilinis na. Professional lang. Si Romy Diaz ng India, Romy Diaz ng India. nice.
Thank you, Lord.
Very nice. Medyo malamig ang mall ngayon ah. So guys, nandito sa tabi namin ang ang Aeropostal, tapos Pericard din. Merong Baby Shop, Osvaldo Sabatini, tapos Eco, Robinson Yogo, tapos yan. Nasa taas yung Lee. Maraming mga talaga dito, mga sale sa outlet. Very nice. Class?
Inside, no? Check inside. Okay.
Check inside. Like this glass inside, you mean? Meron naman siyang dumi, kaunti lang. Ha? Inside, there is a dust, but not too much. Maybe you can use this
Yeah.
cloth only.